Hi, fifth grade. It's Friday. We're going to be working with fractions today. Make sure you have your Google form open, your scrap paper. Today's Friday, the 11th. And then we're also going to need something. I'm shading with a crayon today. I think you'll be able to drag from your Google form onto the to shade your fractions on the number line. So my directions say shade the fraction bar above each number line to show the given fraction. So I have my fractions out here to the side, then I've got my number line, and it's already drawn the model for you and divided it in to represent sevenths on this first number line. I'm trying to shade 2 sevenths. So the seventh, remember in a fraction, represents how many parts there are in the fraction. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts total that my whole is divided into. And then the numerator, or the top part of the fraction, is showing me how many out of that whole my fraction is. So I'm going to be shading that numerator. 2 parts out of 7. This would represent 2 sevenths. You're going to shade those bottom 3 fractions onto those number lines.